Welcome to our channel. Google TV provides access to thousands of apps through the Google Play Store. Follow these steps to download and install apps on your device. Step 1. Press the home button on your Google TV remote to access the main screen with app recommendations and content. Step 2. Navigate to the Apps tab or scroll down to find the Google Play Store app icon on the home screen. Step 3. Select the Google Play Store and wait for it to load. You'll see categories like apps, games, movies, and TV shows. Step 4. Browse through featured apps or use the search function at the top of the screen to find specific apps by typing their names. Step 5. Select the app you want to install to view its details page, including description, screenshots, ratings, and reviews from other users. Step 6. Click the install button on the app's page. If the app is free, installation begins immediately. Paid apps require payment confirmation. Step 7. Wait for the app to download and install automatically. You can monitor the progress with the indicator shown on screen. Step 8. Once installed, you can open the app immediately or find it in your apps row on the home screen. Launch it anytime you want to use it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.